In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a PowerPoint presentation in email step by step. Whether you're sharing a school project, a business report, or a client presentation, this is the fastest and easiest way to send your slides directly from PowerPoint. I'll walk you through everything so you can do it confidently, even if you're a complete beginner. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and go to the presentation that you want to send. You can do this either from the PowerPoint desktop app or from PowerPoint Online in your browser. Make sure your presentation is fully updated and saved before sharing it. If you're using PowerPoint Online, your file will usually be saved automatically to OneDrive. If you're using the desktop version, quickly click on File and then Save, just to ensure all your latest edits are included before you send it. Once your presentation is open and ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is the main option that allows you to send your presentation to others without needing to manually attach the file to a separate email. When you click Share, a sharing panel will open on the right side of your screen. In the sharing panel, you may see different sharing options. Click on Share Again if prompted, especially if PowerPoint asks how you would like to share the file. This ensures you are using the email sharing feature directly from PowerPoint. At this point, your presentation is being prepared to share through a link, which is usually the easiest and efficient method because it avoids large file attachment issues. Next, you'll see a field where you can add an email address. This is where you type the email of the person you want to send the presentation to. Carefully enter the correct email address. If you're sending it to multiple people, you can add multiple email addresses separated by commas. Before moving on, double-check the spelling of each email address to make sure your presentation goes to the right recipient. After adding the email address, you'll see a message box. This is where you can include a short note to the recipient. For example, you could write something like, "Hi, please find my presentation attached for tomorrow's meeting," or "Here is the final version of the project slides." Adding a message makes your email look more professional and gives context to the person receiving the file. Take a moment to write a clear and polite message. Finally, once everything looks good, click on the Send button. PowerPoint will automatically send an email to the recipient with a link to access your presentation. They'll be able to open it directly from their email, and depending on the permissions you selected, they can either view or edit the presentation. That's it. Your PowerPoint presentation has now been sent by email. As a quick tip, always check the sharing permissions before sending. You can usually choose whether the recipient can edit the file or only view it. If you don't want anyone to make changes, set it to view only mode for extra security. And that's how you send a PowerPoint presentation in email step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.